Hi everyone. So let's assume that you already upload, let's say create a Kubernetes services and also upload the images to the container registry, and you would like to get access through the what's that terminal, and it's not needed to do it in your only your PC. So you can do it from here. So you can just open this one here, and you can see it will open a terminal. And after installing after you created a Kubernetes, it will install the kubectl for you. For instance, I have no cluster here, but let's see kubectl get boots, and you can see here there's no Docker, there's no everything. So this you can look, for instance, use the terminal here instead of the stuff. So let me just show you now here. If I copy this, create resource group, and let's paste it here, and we can see it will create now our group. And you can see here, this is my subscription. This is the resource group name. I mean, the subscription is not, let's say, sensitive, but yeah, you can try to keep it secret. And if I go to now to resource group, it should, yeah, so you can see it's already created and with empty. For instance, if I would like now to create, let's say, a workspace, just copy this, and it will be maybe faster than the your PC because it's here in the cloud itself. And this is just to show you how to use the the terminal. And you can see here, if you are using, let's see, Linux, you can just switch to bash, and you can restart, manage, and whatever you want. So you can upload also files and downloads. So that's, I just would like to show you how to do stuff in the portal Azure. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.